Qigong takes direct inspiration from the rhythms of nature. Particularly the Five Animal Frolics is a system of Qigong exercises that takes inspiration from certain animals like the tiger, deer, bear, monkey, and bird. It is one of the oldest Qigong exercises to exist, dating way back to the Han Dynasty of China. It is considered to be a powerful workout that can help better circulate your qi flow, detox your organs, build more strength in the muscles and bones, and prolong your lifespan. But above all, it's considered to be a powerful workout to prevent illnesses from arising in the first place in the body. In this video, I'm going to be showcasing one of the animal forms I will be featuring in my upcoming workshop. This form particularly comes from the tiger. It's called Tiger Raises Claws. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like, and you can follow along the best of your ability. So without further ado, I'm going to get back into the room, and let's get started. All right, so get into a comfortable stance, feet shoulder width apart, and stand nice and tall. And you're going to place your hands open, like you're pressing down with them. And about abdominal level is where you want the hands. And to begin the workout, you're going to roll your hands into fists. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like up front here. Here's my hands. You're going to be rolling your fingers into fists like this. So just roll them out, make them into fists. All right, so our hands are open like this. You're going to roll them into fists, and then you're going to inhale and exhale. Reach up with your hands and open them again. Reach them high up and look up. And now you're going to roll your hands into fists again in the air, and then you're going to pull them down. Inhale, and then exhale the rest of the way. Hands open up slowly, pressing down. And then you're going to roll them into fists again. Inhale, doing another. Exhale, high up, hands open again, looking up. Roll them into fists, pull them down. Inhale, exhale. Roll them into fists. Inhale, raise them up. Exhale, high up, open them again. Roll them in the fists, inhale down, exhale, hands gradually open as they move down. Roll them in the fists again, inhale, exhale, high up, roll into fists, inhale down, exhale. We're going to do two more of these. Roll in the fists, inhale, exhale, roll in the fists, bring them down, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale. Roll in the fists, inhale, exhale, open the hands again at the bottom, and relax. So one of the reasons why we're doing the hand rolling is you're stretching out the fingers, and you have all kinds of meridian systems that are connected to your fingers that run up your arm here. So you're giving your meridian systems a nice massage that way. So I hope you enjoyed that little workout. We're going to end with 3 finishing breaths. We're going to inhale, exhale. Inhale, regain your center of gravity. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Pull down the sky. And relax. And so that was one of the forms from the tiger. I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration. If you're interested in learning more about the 5 animal frolics in Qigong, I have my upcoming workshop this weekend on Saturday, December 13th at 2 p.m. Central. You can check out the link down below for more information and how to register. So depending on when you're tuning into the video, if it's before the workshop took place, you still have time to register for it live, or if you're watching this video after the workshop is done, you can still be able to access the recording and look back at it at your leisure. Be sure to check it out at the link down below, purchase the workshop, and try out the full 5 animal workshop for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't yet, be sure you're subscribed to the Moonwheel of Tai Chi channel. My name is Alan. Thank you so much. Follow your heart and live well.